How's it going, everyone? There are many online tech tools that are useful to support English language learners inside and outside of the classroom, but the resource that I found personally to be the most fun, interesting, and engaging was Khan Academy. This has been an online tech tool that's been introduced to me in my earlier prereq classes, and I still find it very useful today. And what's great about Khan Academy is that you could use it for any subject or content area. Social studies, mathematics, science, whatever it may be. But for this specifically, we're going to be focusing on social studies. And the great thing too about Khan Academy is that it's free for both students and teachers to join. You can even make class pages through the website itself. So there's just a bunch of online interactives and ways for students to really learn using this online material. So as you can see here, I created a profile of my own. Once again, this is completely free to use, free and easy as well. So if we look down here, keep in mind that this page is categorized as only history and social science. So we obviously have our choices with US history and world history right here. So we're going to go ahead and explore a little bit. So we'll go ahead and look at world history just because that's some of my favorite. And the great thing too is that you have all these options and they're listed chronologically as well. Right here we have beginnings of 600 BCE, really starting more towards 6th grade social science. Soon enough we're moving into the Renaissance and Reformation period, right around 7th grade world history. And then we really reach to a lot of the wars, focusing in Europe, really focusing on World War II and mostly 9th and 10th grade history. So we'll just go ahead and look at one of these, for example. Start off, World War II is one of my favorites, so we'll go ahead and look at this page for a little bit. And the great thing about Khan Academy is that they definitely have a wide variety of things for students to really look at. There's quizzes that students can take to really expand their prior knowledge, see what they know already, and really build upon that. There's all these small subsections really. Lots of videos in which students can look up. And a lot of these videos are from YouTube as well. So really they're just listed underneath. So these are great resources for them to look into. And of course, quizzes along the way in which they could also look up as well. With that said though, this really just brings us to the end of this video. Students can also keep track of their progress with all their quiz scores and such as they progress and really explore even more of these lessons. But other than that, this is why Khan Academy is just such a great material and one that's easy to use. Thank you.